Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining 2025. So if you're mining a key, the key airdrop, and you don't know how to add the contract address to your Web3 wallet, then basically this video is for you. Make sure you watch it up to the end, as I'll be showing you step by step on how to add key token on your MetaMask wallet using the key contract address. So yeah, basically it's very simple. The first thing, head on to your app, then head on and open your MetaMask app. So open your MetaMask wallet, then of course you'll have to authenticate. Okay, let me authenticate, then proceed to unlock. So basically I want to show you how to add this key token. The way you can see here, mine is added on my wallet. So yeah, first open your MetaMask app, then after opening your MetaMask app, head on to the section where you can see import tokens here. So come and click here. So when you click on there, come and click on custom network, because you want to add a custom network using the contract address, and the custom network is the key. So yeah, when you land on this section, come and select network. So when you click on select network, come and choose BNB Smart Chain Mainnet. Sorry, let me click it and highlight it. Yeah, so come and click this. So when you click on it, when it shows that BNB Smart Chain it's under that network, then you'll have to come and paste your contract address here. And for you to get the correct contract address, you have to head on to the key Twitter page, or just any site, but make sure it's the correct key site. So okay, you can see this is the unique contract address, so copy that. So let me try and copy it. So copy that. After copying, go back to your wallet once again and click on confirm. Then sorry, you had left it at adding the contract address. So there, import tokens, then custom token, then the network you had selected was BNB. Now the contract address, you come and paste it there, then just give it a few seconds for it to light up, for the screen tab to light up. My phone had an issue, but let's continue. So you are importing the token using the contract address. So you are at this section where you are adding the network and the contract address. So okay, let me proceed from here now. So okay, we had added the Binance Smart Chain network there. Then the contract address, I told you where to get it. You just have to go to Twitter, then on the search tab, just search for key, this one. Then open the key page. So this is basically the key page. Then scroll down to where you will see, and you will see it on this second post. So let me open the post and show you where the contract address is. You can see it is Pool Decentralized Exchange Pancake. At that time, key's unique contract address is this one. So this is what you copy. This is the correct contract address. So yeah, copy that, then go back to your MetaMask wallet. That is what you paste here. So okay, so let me just paste it. You can see the key symbol is there. Then click on next. Then you can see, would you like to import this token? So this is the token. You can see key and the option for importing. So if you're using your phone, when you just import the contract address, the next tab will just light automatically. So you'll just click on that. Then this page will come. So you'll just have to click on import, and you can see token imported successfully. You have successfully imported key. So after seeing this message, you can now proceed to home page and see if your key token has been added. So you can see for my case, here it is. Here's the token. and basically it's very and basically that's how you do it. That's how you add the key on your page, on your MetaMask wallet. So the method of adding any token is the same. You just have to get the contract address and the network it's running on. So yeah, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel for more crypto and mining updates.